If you like Pina Colada, come try my healthy shake. In less than 10 minutes, you can have an amazing Pina Colada, and it's gonna be healthy and delicious. And it'll take less than 10 minutes, and then you get a break. Thank you very much. Just a nice, easy top and tail. Now we stand it up, a straight line down, trying to cut as little as possible. Then, if you look at the top, what we're gonna do is cut across and all the way down through the pineapple, cutting into 4 pieces. 1, 2. If you see, there's the thick inner core. We'll cut it at like an angle all the way across, and then it's a nice flat piece. And we'll repeat this step with all 4. This I'm not gonna cut in half. I leave it as is, and inside she goes.
2 hours later.
And we also got some coconut meat to put inside. Basically, the easiest way, take a small knife and just kind of stab it in the edges and just cut off a little bit, and then it comes off very easily. Then we put in some pineapple, a portion of your favorite protein powder, and we add a little bit of milk as well. And now we blend. That should do. And now we pour. Some pineapple for decoration. Pura vida. Enjoy your pina colada.